Welcome to our channel. If you need to connect your HomePod to Wi-Fi or change its network, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your device is properly connected. Step 1. Ensure your iPhone or iPad is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your HomePod to use. The HomePod will automatically connect to the same network as your iOS device during setup. Step 2. Place your HomePod in the room where you want to use it and plug it into a power outlet. Wait for the white spinning light to appear on top. Step 3. Unlock your iPhone or iPad and hold it near the HomePod. A setup card should automatically appear on your screen. Step 4. Tap Setup when the card appears. If it doesn't appear, open the Home app manually and tap the plus icon to add an accessory. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Your HomePod will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network. Step 6. To change the Wi-Fi network later, open the Home app on your iPhone, press and hold the HomePod icon, then tap the settings gear. Step 7. Scroll down and select your HomePod, then choose Move HomePod to and select the new Wi-Fi network you want to use. Step 8. Confirm the change and wait for your HomePod to reconnect to the new network. The light on top will indicate when it's successfully connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.